Hey there, so what is ReelShort app? So let's just install it. So just tap to get and then you will be able to install it. This is a new app which starts to climb in the charts in entertainment category in United States. So the idea is that basically it is kind of like a TikTok, but then in TikTok format you can watch some entertainment shows, bite-size shows, exclusive series. And yeah, so in case you like Netflix, so Netflix is kind of like long form format, and this app is just testing out the same Netflix, but which looks like a TikTok. So in case you like TikTok and you like Netflix and you think that Netflix requires too much attention, you just can't watch a movie which is like 3 hours or so, or just a lot of series which is like 20 minutes, 30 minutes each series. So in this app you can watch even shorter entertainment and shows. Yeah, so